Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find Mongoose Dolomite men's fat tire mountain bike, 26-inch wheels, 4-inch wide knobby tires, 7-speed, steel frame, front and rear brakes, multiple colors. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: bike type road bike, mountain bike, cruiser bike. Age range, description, adult. Brand Mongoose. Number of speeds 7. Color navy blue. Wheel size 26 inches. Frame material steel. Suspension type rear, front. Special feature fat tire, lightweight, mountain bike. Included components lock. Brake styled disc. Style mountain bike plus lock cable. Model named Mongoose Dolomite Fat Tire Men's Mountain Bike. Brand's name Mongoose.